up afterwards is 7 feet tall, and it's all controlled by a computer, and we'll see how it goes. You can keep your eye on the digital clock. The lady there is Osceola McCarty. She has pushed the button, and we're off and running. We're less than a minute away from 1977. Oh, there's a Freudian slip. 1997 coming up in 45 seconds. And they're watching, and they're waiting with anticipation. Our 25th annual New Year's Rockin' Eve. You can see the countdown up there. They're watching. They're ready. They've got their cameras. They got their voices ready. The ball is descending. Listen to the roar of that crowd. In 15 seconds, it'll be 1997. In 10,